Want a spotless, showroom-worthy car without dragging out a hose or bucket? In this video, we reveal the best waterless car wash products tested for cleaning power, shine, protection, and overall value. Whether you're saving time, conserving water, or keeping your vehicle looking its best on the go, we've found the top picks that actually deliver. Check the links in the description box below for product details and current prices. Number 1 is Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. It earns the top spot by combining cleaning and protection into one effortless step. No water needed. Simply spray, wipe, and drive away with a freshly detailed finish. The generous gallon size keeps costs low for frequent users, while the formula gently lifts dirt without scratching surfaces, leaving behind a lasting wax barrier. The large container may be bulky to store, but the trade-off is excellent value. For drivers seeking a reliable, time-saving detailing solution, this product consistently delivers a clean, protected finish with minimal effort. Number 2 is Aero Cosmetics Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax. It stands out with rare dual functionality. Use it as a traditional wet wash or a convenient waterless spray wherever you happen to be. Developed from aircraft-grade chemistry, the formula cleans, protects, and shines in one effortless application. The generous 128-ounce gallon size delivers outstanding value, while built-in UV protection actively shields your paint from long-term sun damage. It runs slightly higher per ounce compared to some rivals, but the versatility more than justifies the difference. For drivers wanting one premium product that adapts to any situation, Aero Cosmetics is an exceptional choice. Number 3 is Griot's Garage Spray-On Waterless Car Wash. It earns its spot with a high lubricity formula that glides over paint, safely lifting dirt and dust without leaving scratches behind. Built-in carnauba wax adds a finishing touch of protection with every use, eliminating the need for a separate waxing step. The straightforward spray bottle keeps application clean and hassle-free, whether you're dealing with water restrictions or simply short on time. Quality microfiber cloths are essential for best results. At 35 ounces, it strikes a practical balance between size and value, making it a dependable, everyday waterless wash solution. Number 4 is Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Waterless Wash and Wax. It takes waterless detailing to the next level with advanced ceramic chemistry. The formula creates a slick, hydrophobic barrier that shields your paint while safely encapsulating and lifting dirt with every wipe. Compatible with both standard and ceramic-coated finishes, it offers impressive versatility for modern vehicles. Application is fast and straightforward. Spray, wipe, and go. The 24-ounce bottle feels small given the premium price, but the superior protection it delivers makes it worthwhile. For owners of ceramic-coated vehicles who refuse to compromise on quality, this hybrid formula is an outstanding match. Number 5 is Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe Sprayable Waterless Car Wash. It is the smart pick for high-volume detailers who want maximum value without sacrificing performance. The generous 128-ounce supply keeps costs per wash impressively low, while the refillable spray bottle reduces waste over time. Its high lubrication formula encapsulates and safely lifts dirt away from any surface, covering everything from motorcycles to full-sized RVs. No water source needed. Clean and protect your vehicle virtually anywhere. Quality microfiber cloths are a must to avoid streaking, but that's a minor trade-off. For dedicated detailers who wash frequently, Swift Wipe delivers bulk convenience and reliable results. Number 6 is Chemical Guy's Raging Rhino Waterless Car Wash. It punches above its weight with a clever 3-in-1 formula that washes, details, and waxes in a single application. Powered by Seraphine technology, it delivers multi-phase surface protection that sends water beading off your paint effortlessly. Versatility is a standout strength. It performs equally well on paint, glass, wheels, and chrome surfaces. Simply spray, wipe, and enjoy a glossy, protected finish in minutes. The 20-ounce bottle may run out quickly for frequent users, but the sheer convenience of replacing 3 products with one makes Raging Rhino a smart, space-saving choice. That wraps up our picks for the best waterless car wash products available today. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect solution to keep your vehicle clean, shiny, and protected with minimal effort. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and buying guides. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for more information and current deals on our top recommendations.